In this video, we will give you a quick overview of how to make charcoal briquettes using Flo-Scan Technologies equipment. After the charcoal is screened, we end up with what we call fines. This is charcoal between 20 and 3 mm in size. This is what we will use to make the briquettes. The fines are loaded into a hopper and then conveyed to the crusher, which then crushes the fines to under 3 mm in size. After being crushed, they are put on a pile where they will be measured out to be put in the blender and mixed into the briquetting mixture. To bind the fines together, we use starch. In this case, it is pre-gelatinized cornstarch. Other starches can also be used, for example, cassava starch. A measured amount of fines is added to the blender. The starch is added in next. Finally, we add water. This activates the bonding process and makes the briquette mixture sticky. The mixture is mixed for around 20 minutes. After mixing, the gate is opened and the mixture flows into the briquetting press, where it is compressed by tons of pressure into the pillow shapes or any other shape. From here on, the briquettes are moved to the drying area.